How to promote affiliate marketing business with video. So how to promote your affiliate marketing business with video. Hello, my name is Bill Morrow, and now that you've landed on this site, it is because you are looking for something related to internet marketing, working from home, and all of these things. Well, look no more. I have found the perfect system so that you can get started with it and make money online. But running a business is the main thing. So over the course of the course, which is run on video, all you do is you set out, you read or you listen to a video, and then it tells you to do a certain thing. It gives you a task. You complete that task and then move on to the next video. So you have completed. Now, if you make a mistake or don't manage to get it done, you simply go back, listen to the video again. They're simple, straightforward. There's nothing complicated about them at all. All you've got to do is to listen and carry out the instructions on there. Now, when you have completed all of these things, you have ended up with a working online business that you can run from home, which is exactly the system that you want. This is what you're after. This is what I've got. This is what I've built, because I have completed the course. I have followed the course all the way through, completed it. I've got everything working, and now I am offering that system to you because I know that the system works. Now, my name is Bill Morrow, and I've been working online now for about 9 years. And over that time, I've done some silly things. I've bought some real rubbish. I've got some part working systems and so forth, which kept me going all the time. But now I've found the exact one, the complete one. I have every confidence in it. It works. I've done the course. I have completed the course. So now I'm offering that system to you. All you have to do is come down into the description box, and on the first line you will find my link, which will lead you to my website. You simply put your email name in there, and I will then send you additional information so that you end up with all of the information before you actually join. So there's no problem at all. It's simple, so straightforward. All you do is you work at your speed. So if you're doing a job somewhere else, or you've got kids and everything running around you, you can only offer an hour or something to do it, then you do it at your speed. But there's a lot of information in there. Remember, what you're doing is you're setting up a business. And now you want to know how to promote that business using email. It is all covered in the course, the whole lot. So all you've got to do now, you know you're in the right place. All you've got to do is simply click on the link, put your email in there, and then get the information, additional information from me, and I will then see, and I'll follow you up. Now, I won't be knocking on your door or anything like that. I'll follow up at your email to make sure that you are progressing with the system. And any problems, I will help you because I've done it. It's that straightforward. So click on the link below and I'll contact you again. All the best for now.